Hello, good morning guys, namaste and welcome back to other vlog. So today's plan is that we are going to cover some of the temples and Tibetan monasteries in Bodh Gaya. So the first place which we are going to visit is called as Mahabodhi Temple. After that we'll go and visit a Tibetan monastery. Later we'll go and visit the Giant Buddha. As of now this is the plan. According to the time we'll add more places. So the first destination is Mahabodhi Temple. After going there I will shoot some slow motion shots. So stay tuned. So guys, there is a change in the plan. So we are going to cover 6 places now because we hired an electric auto here. So that guy is charging us 300 rupees and he's showing the famous 6 temples here. So the first temple which we are, he's called as Bodh Gaya. So we'll go and explore this place now. We are in the second spot of our day. So we are in front of Jai Shri Mahabodhi Vihara temple. So it is locally also called as Sri Lanka Bodhi temple. So it's just opposite to the Mahabodhi temple. So let's go and visit this temple. Done with the second spot. The temple was small and they were not allowing photography inside, but that's okay. I managed to take 2 clips from the window so that you'll get an idea. But if you are here, try to visit the place because they really got some cool paintings inside. It's just opposite to the Mahabodhi temple. Now we are going to the Mahabodhi temple, as you can see it behind me. So this temple also has the Bodhi tree. Under this the Buddha got enlightened. So we are going to cover those both temples. Cameras are not allowed inside, but if you pay 100 rupees, they'll allow camera inside. So we are going to keep our all gear here and take one camera inside and shoot some 120 frames per second shots. So guys, we are done with our third spot of the day. So now we are going to our fourth spot, which is just opposite to the main temple. It's called as a Tibetan temple. So the facts about the main temple is that it was built in the 2nd century, and later it was renovated again in 16th century by British, and this is where the Buddha got enlightened. And you also saw the tree and people are meditating there. So that is the spot where Buddha actually got enlightened. So now we'll go to the fourth spot and see what this place is going to offer. So guys, we are done with our fourth place. That was a very small temple, but you need to visit it because they really got some cool paintings inside. I almost all took like 20 minutes to explore this place. So really they got some good painting stuff. So if you have time, please go check that place too. So guys, we are in the fifth spot of our day. So this is called Bhutan Monastery. So this monastery is in Bhutanese style. So let's go and explore this place now. So guys, we are done with the fifth spot. That's a very cute little Bhutanese monastery. Here the art is different than the other monasteries. Here the art is in 3D form, so it's a bit elevated and it's very interesting to see. Now we are on our sixth spot. So this is the Japanese style. Done with the sixth spot. So the fifth and the sixth, so the Tibetan and the Japanese are just beside by beside, so it's just 100 meters barely. So here there is no much of art, but I really like the outer structure of the building. The art is simple, but the outer structure and the light patterns of this construction of this building is very good. So guys, we are done with the round trip. Those are some 6 major attractions in and around the Mahabodhi Temple. So the next destination is that we are going to the giant Buddha and flying the drone. It's a perfect time guys, it's 4:30, the sun is setting down. So I think we are going to get some cool shots over there. So guys, the reason why I have been visiting all the kinds of monasteries is because I like art guys. So I would like to see every religion and culture's expression of divine, and expression of life. And really guys, everybody had really done a great job, and I am really inspired by those art which are very useful for me, because photography is also related to art, colors and frames, patterns. So I can learn so much of stuff when I see this kind of arts. So overall guys, but my opinion about religion is that every religion is same guys. I have been to church, mosque, masjid and all. Every religion is trying to say one thing, that there is a divine force which is leading us all, and every religion is trying to express the same feeling. As you can see here also, there are some mandals on the top which are representing that every energy is going to one particular center, or every pattern is going to one particular center. So overall guys, my opinion about religion is that we are all same, but expressing or experiencing life in a different perspective. And this is good. I like this kind of stuff, because if you have only one religion, it would get bored. So these multiple kinds of religions give different perspectives about life, and they have a very good room and a large room for more art and creativity, which I really like. I wish there are more religions like this, because I never mind about religions, because I know the real point and the purpose of the religion and life. So these kind of religions teach me one thing: life is colorful, just live it. So now we'll go and fly the drone. So guys, that's it, done with the giant Buddha. I hope you have enjoyed the beautiful drone shots. While taking, I felt that I took it very nicely and in a very cinematic way. So now the plan is that me and Ranjit are going to eat something. So from morning we did not have anything, as it is a hectic schedule. So after that we need to find a mechanic here, because our headlights are failed, because the high beam is not working. We need to figure out about that also. So guys, I have got myself a jeera rice and a gobi manchuria. Ranjit got chicken fried rice. So we'll tuck it in. So guys, we are done with the dinner. So the food was okay. So I'll give 3.5 out of 5. So now the plan is that we need to go find a mechanic and figure out the problem with the headlights. So guys, I'm finally back to the room. I think this is it for the day. We tried for the mechanic here, but we could not find one, because most of the mechanic sheds are closed, as it's already 8 now. So maybe we'll figure out that tomorrow while going to Varanasi. So my overall opinion about this place is, guys, it was a colorful experience to see different kinds of perspectives from all around the world, from different countries at one place, which is very unique to see, and very budget friendly also. Otherwise you need to travel country to country to experience different perspectives. So that facility I like the most in this place. And from the places which we visited today, Bhutan monastery is my favorite, because they have the 3D architecture stuff which is very rare, and which I haven't experienced before. So that will stay my favorite out of the 6. So overall guys, I think that's it for today. So it was a very productive day. So I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. Keep moving.